Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you how to turn taskbar like this, that you see like this, taskbar like this. Look like a Mac taskbar. Okay, let's start. Okay, I will show you from start to finish, and then I put a link in the description. You can click and start to download. Okay, let's start. First, we go to Microsoft Store, but don't worry, you just click link in the description, bring you to Microsoft Store already. So we search for RoundedTb, okay, taskbar, and then click install it. It's free. You can see right here, be like this, or we have configuration with you align on the top. See something like here. You may see something like here. Okay, let's install it. And then I will show you how to bring it down here and configure everything. Okay, install it finished. Just click open it. It will show something here, version 3.1, and some message here. Just click OK, and we can close this one. As you can see, it's something like here. Just apply. You don't see any change right here, right? And then click advanced. Here, if we adjust the top, something like here, it will automatic all here. Apply. So you see our taskbar below just a little change, and you can adjust the corner a little bit. Apply. Still long, that one, but just a little bit dynamic mode. Apply. You can see here, you can see the difference right here, the difference. Okay, so you can play around. Transparent, okay, fill taskbar and apply, or fill this one, or you can hide when we hover it show like this. You can hide and it will show like that. Okay, so we can adjust something like here. And we can set the margin here and apply it round a little bit. Let's apply, so complete round. 10, yes, and margin and make it big. Okay, become really small. Fine, look fine. You can apply it. So, or you can just not dynamic. You can here. You can adjust from top right corner, or just click here. You can adjust right here. If you not apply dynamic, it will be stay like that and small, look like a map, or just dynamic and apply, it will be something like right here. You can hide this one, and then just exit it. And after you working around something right here, recently, or this one, you have multiple tabs. If you want to know how to do it, check link in description. And if you're looking for a cheap product key for Windows or Office, check link in description with a discount code. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. Looking for another video tutorial related to Windows 11, check link over there or over here, or link in description. Okay, see you in the video. Bye.